podcasting, really, I think at its core, actually it's two things. It's teaching, but for me, actually, it's been learning.
Yeah, that's the beauty of it is I had a client of mine once and I asked him, I'm like, how's the podcast going? And he's like, yeah. And I'm like, well, like, how are your downloads? He's like, oh, they're whatever. And I'm like, wait, why are you doing the podcast again? And he said, oh, that's easy. He goes, I get to talk to people I have no business talking to. And he said, I got right by the gatekeeper. He goes, because the CEOs listen to my podcast on the treadmill. And he's like, so it's beautiful. I've interviewed heroes of mine that I thought I would never talk to. You're better at shaping your ideas because if you're doing a weekly show, you have to figure out what the heck I'm going to say. And then you start to understand what resonates with people and things like that. So
two skills that I've acquired becoming a podcaster, and particularly since I did video. One, I definitely don't and ah as much as I used to. I'm more conscious of having streams of thought and being able to articulate them without, without pausing, right? Yeah. Basically. And the second thing with the video podcast, this is interesting. There's one guy that I really follow a lot in digital marketing, and he has this aura. There's something about him that makes him really, really attractive, right? From a professional perspective, right? Mm-hmm. And what I realized it was that he speaks with a smile. He's always got a smile. And